Welcome to the new Angry Birds Hotel. Look, home sweet home. And all the animals are waiting for the Angry Birds to come.
And pigs.
And the pigs, of course. Where are they? Even the puppy dog is waiting. See the puppy dog? Okay. Are they here yet? Who are they? I see them coming. Uh-oh, who is that? Who is that? What is his name?
Hello, I'm Baby Red number 1, and I'm Baby Red number 2.
Okay, the babies need to go first. Who else is coming?
I'm their bigger brother.
What is your name?
I am Prince Red.
Prince Red. Wow. Do you watch over them?
Yeah.
Okay,
They
you better
argue
get up
a
there
lot.
with them.
They argue a lot. No, mine. I'm at the corner.
Oh, stop.
Okay, little
All
ones.
right. Who else is coming?
Hello, I'm Prince Red's brother, Terrence.
Terrence. Oh, no. Do you have to be so mean, Terrence?
I'm not that mean. They're the little ones are the meaner.
Okay, who else do we have?
And I am King Red.
King Red. Wow, King Red is pretty big.
Oh, yeah.
King Red, are you going to rule the throne?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you better get up there if you're going to do that.
Ow.
Okay.
I
Who is that?
am the epic lightning bolt racer.
And we got a little one, too.
I am Thunderbolt.
Thunderbolt.
Yep.
Wow. Who else?
I'm Big Pig Snout.
Pigs. Oh, no, the birds aren't going to like that. This is the Angry Bird Hotel. I don't think the pigs are going to like that. Do you think they'll let the pigs stay there?
On one condition, stay as far as away from the nest as they can. Now that was my line, no mine. Now. It's my fault, no mine.
Who else do we have?